morning. I'm Michael Loftus from the Professional Display Business Unit here in the United States, talking about Tianma's new introduction into the digital signage, our 50-inch display. It's got a SFT, wide viewing angle. It's set up for the point-of-sale market. Also moving on to the gas pump applications, electric vehicle. This has a touch. It's great for outdoor applications. We can put water on there, it'll still work. It's got a high transmissivity, really bright display. Moving over here to our 12 megapixel color, so it's 4K by 3K, and it's a real 10-bit resolution. I meant pixel, red, green, blue. So as you can see, the blacks are really black. There's no halo around the display. It is truly a beautiful panel, so it's great for the medical applications. So then we have here our 23.8 8-inch display, and we have our standard display that was out, and we have now a higher black where it prevents mirror. It's to a neutral density filter of 8, so much more better panel. The way we use our special pillar spacing. As we move here to our 21.5 inch, it's a full HD panel. Very, very beautiful blacks. Great viewing angle. It's a spectacular panel for the display for medical applications. You can see wide viewing angle, great color. And we're moving on here to our 27 inch, which is a mini LED. So we have a backlight, which is mini LEDs. So you're lighting up zones of 2,304 zones. And it is just a beautiful panel. It has a contrast ratio of 1,000,000 to 1. You could see how beautiful this panel is. We're moving over here to our 13.3 inch, which is our mini LED. So there's mini LEDs in the backlight system. It also has a local dimming as well. And it's 1,000,000 to 1 contrast ratio. This is targeted at the rugged PC or for medical applications. So you can bring this outside, put it on a vehicle. It's very robust for that market. Pause. This is our wet and glove display. The touch screen, we're trying to show you that there's water being put on this. It works very well with liquid, just like the other 27 inch. But now we can actually use a thick glove. You can see the insulation in here, and you can see that you can still use a glove. This is our 7-inch white display. It's basically, you put a cover over it. We have to achieve more than 70% white to actually see this, but when it's off, you can't tell that there's a display there. It's a beautiful thing. It's more of a decorative, where your high-end houses and stuff would want that. Then we have our switchable mode, which has a privacy. You may want to come more towards the front over here, but as you look, it's bright and it's got a wide viewing angle. But when I switch it in the privacy mode, if you get off to the side, it limits that. So it's great for anybody who wants to have a privacy mode for like with automotive or when you're on a plane with your notebook. We have here our 10.1 inch. This has an integrated NFC, so we can put the NFC inside here instead of having to put the coils out there. We put it right into the display. So you tap on the spot where you have it, and it's about 2 to 3 millimeters away. Where this is also an NFC, we're NFC certified with this display. You can touch anywhere on this and you will get to see. So this has higher integration. What we're trying to show you here is our 3-inch reflective displays. We have 2 ECB displays and a normal SFT display. They're all about the same resolution, but what we can see is the power for each of these displays is very different. So we're talking about 25 milliwatts to 27 milliwatts, all the way up to 700. So a significant difference of probably 30x power. So power is important. If you're doing a personal navigation device, you can last 30 times longer because the backlight is the most power hungry device.